welcome to my Unity tutorial video how to make wonderful game with Unity. So, today I will show you how to create a new scene in Unity. What is the new scene? You see on my screen, it is the scene with my wonderful cube and my wonderful scene there. So, if you want to make a new scene with wonderful other scene, you have to go to File and click on New Scene. Unity asks you to choose between an empty scene or a basic built-in scene. Perhaps it can depend the kind of project you decided to make when you create a new project. So, after this, what's there? You choose the choose you want to choose and you click to create. Yes, I will save my actual scene, and this is the new scene. And perhaps I can save my scene. Don't forget to name your scene Wonderful Scene because you make a wonderful game. Wonderful scene. And save. So, it's okay. Thank you to look this video. Please don't forget to like the video and don't forget to subscribe to follow other videos of this Unity wonderful game, how to make a wonderful game video. Bye bye.